Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manually enable all the new features from Windows 11 25H2. These features can also be enabled on 24H2, so it's not mandatory to have 25H2 installed, but it's always recommended to keep your Windows version up to date. I'll guide you step by step through everything you need to do to unlock the latest hidden features available in Windows 11. If you enjoy videos like this, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to TechBased with the notification bell turned on so you don't miss any future tutorials. Step 1. Update Windows. First, open the Settings app and go to Windows Update. Enable the option Get the latest updates as soon as they're available, then click on Check for updates. This ensures you're running the latest version of Windows, whether it's 24H2 or 25H2. Step 2. Download ViveTool. Next, you'll need a small utility called ViveTool. This tool, created by Albacore, allows you to manually enable hidden or experimental features that Microsoft gradually rolls out. Download ViveTool from the article linked in the video description. Once downloaded, open the .zip file, click Extract All, and choose a dedicated folder, such as a new folder named Hidden Features on your local disk. After extraction, copy the folder path, as we'll need it for the next step. Step 3. Run ViveTool commands. Open the Start menu, search for CMD, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. When the command prompt opens, type cd, paste the folder path here, and press Enter. Now, you'll run several ViveTool commands, all listed in the article below the video. Copy and paste each command one by one, pressing Enter after each. After every command, you should see the message, Successfully Set Feature Configuration. Step 4. Update Microsoft Store apps. Once you've finished enabling the features, open the Microsoft Store. Go to Library, Get Updates, and update all available apps. The most important ones are Phone Link and Cross-Device Experience Host. Updating these ensures you'll get the new phone sidebar feature integrated into the Start menu on Windows 11 25H2. Step 5. Link your phone. Before restarting your PC, open the Phone Link app on your computer and connect it with your mobile device using the Link to Windows app on your phone. Once connected, you'll unlock additional features integrated into Windows 11. Step 6. Restart your PC. After completing all these steps, right-click the Start menu and select Restart. Once your PC restarts, you should see all the new features enabled, including the new Start menu with the phone sidebar, updated copy and move dialogues with dark mode, the refreshed file explorer with AI actions, customizable flyouts, and much more. If you want to see a detailed breakdown of every new feature in Windows 11 25H2, check out the linked video where I explain them in depth. All commands, steps, and the ViveTool download link are available in the article below this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to TechBased, and turn on notifications so you won't miss future updates.